Watch this video to understand how to back up Facebook 2022 on PC. Click on the Settings and Privacy tab when you click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on Settings. Click on the Your Facebook Information tab on the left. Click on View, next to download your information. Select the required format HTML or JSON, media quality, and date range. Select all the files that you need like messages, comments, and groups. Scroll down and click on Request a download. It will take some time to prepare your file depending on the quality and date range selected. Move up and click on Available Files. It will show Pending next to your required file. Wait for that to change to Download.